Welcome to Eileen's Home Bakery. Today I will show you how to make French macaroons with French buttercream filling. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and share to your friends. Enjoy! It is very important that you blitz your almond flour. By doing this, you make it very fine, and do not trust your almond flour packaging if it says it's already ready to use for your macaroons. If you can do this 2 or 3 times, it will be perfect. By doing this, you can achieve a very smooth finish for your macaroons. After you blitz it, you have to make sure you sift it. After sifting, you have to blitz it again. So again, blitz, sift, blitz, sift, and if you could do it 2 to 3 times. Before starting with our meringue, we have to make sure that our mixing bowl is very clean and without fat. Use lemon and your kitchen paper towel to wipe it clean. And then we're ready to start with our meringue. Add your egg whites and whisk until foamy. When foamy, it's now time to add your 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. In my video, I ran out of cream of tartar, so I used 1/4 teaspoon of lemon. Now we slowly add our granulated sugar. I blitz my granulated sugar to make it finer. We are aiming for very stiff peaks for our meringue. Time to add our vanilla. And add our gel food coloring. Add your almond flour and your powdered sugar, 1/3 of the amount first. Add the rest of our ingredients and making sure that we fold it nicely. Careful but not too careful. We want the air bubbles in our meringue, however, we have to release some of it as well. This process is called the macaronage. Our aim here is to create a lava-like texture, and we should be able to create a number 8 figure without breaking. As soon as you achieve forming a number 8 figure, stop mixing. Time to place the mixture in a piping bag using a 1.5 Wilton tip. Pipe perpendicular to your baking tray. It is good to use a silicone baking sheet if you have one. If not, just use a normal baking paper. Here you can express your creativity by putting some sprinkles or whatever it is that you want to put in your macarons. After decorating, you have to carefully drop your baking tray on the table. Do it once or twice to release the air bubbles. After that, these macarons have to rest for 30 minutes up to an hour. Bake your macarons in 150 degrees Celsius preheated oven. Turn your macarons after the 7th minute. Bake your macarons for 12 to 15 minutes, but for me 12 minutes works best. As mentioned, you have to turn your macarons after the 7th minute to ensure proper baking. Now it's time to pipe our French buttercream filling. There's a separate video for that. Your macarons should be crispy on the outside and soft and chewy in the inside. And here is our French macarons with French buttercream filling. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video for today. I hope you enjoy and have fun. And for your questions, write them down in the comment section below. And I wish you good luck in your journey in making your own French macaroon.